Hello and welcome back to Road Rates. My name's James. Today we're going to be cruising down I93 South. We're going to start in Concord, New Hampshire and drive down to the Massachusetts border. Let's go! So that was I93 South. It was a very smooth and easy road. I would give it a 9 as far as ride quality. Aren't a lot of potholes. Other than the bridge flex connectors where you feel a little bump, it was very smooth, straight. Give ride quality about a 9. As far as the foliage and the scenery is concerned, right now in October, it is very scenic. There's foliage, leaves changing, so I would give the scenery about a 10. And going from Concord to the Massachusetts border, there were no real significant construction issues right now in October of 2025. So I would say it is approved for lowered cars. Finally, the only real thing to be concerned about is the turns in Concord, New Hampshire. As you're going through downtown, there's kind of an S turn. It's down to 2 lanes, and it can create a bit of a bottleneck. So just be cautious of that. Depending on the time of day, might get a little hairy as far as traffic's concerned. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.